Summer's negative horizons pestering. Dead trees not lasting, still leaves betraying their roots. Hurricanes and blurred visions, like birds flying zigzag, then landing on their narrow perch. One can monitor the winds from here. Step by step they marched, singing nursery rhymes, flags and effigies they erected, swinging in the directions of the winds. These are not the streets I used to know. Animals washed their bodies in fermented seeds, leftovers, men dancing with empty bottles of liquor. A lone bee buzzes, sucking nectar from nearby hibiscus. Haggard its breeding, dying with each stride it falls. Red lightning strike, September rain pours, the king's whip rips. These are not the streets I used to know. Brown dark his hairline, preachers come and go, marchers of gaiety, lamentations from a piper's whistle. In the village of Omofia, Okonkwo fought a good fight. These winds brought quarrels, a curse amongst us hybrids. These are not the streets of my youth.